It's 1:45 in the afternoon. I've been awake since 2:30 this morning, as I was at work at 4 until 12. So yeah, I've had a heavy day at work. And guess what I'm doing now? Back to finishing this fucker. I keep saying that I'm going to be done by now, but I just, with working and everything else, it's just having a time. I'm literally just going to finish levelling out this corner, take a couple of the high spots off that I left, and then this week I can get all the casing done, ready for the concrete, which is coming a week today. So by the end of the week, this will all have its sub-base, its concrete casing, and all the rebar positioned, ready just to dip the concrete. Oh, wish me luck, 'cause I'm fucking knackered.